According to a filing last Friday, New York Attorney General Letitia James has asked the New York Supreme Court to stop holding Cushman & Wakefield in contempt. And Cushman & Wakefield, as you may remember from a couple weeks ago, was the appraisal firm that was working for the Trump Organization. It's actually one of the biggest real estate appraisers around, really, in New York, possibly even in the country. And that's what they do. They go around, you hire this firm, Cushman & Wakefield, and you say, tell me how much this property, this building, whatever it is worth. Because your appraisals are what we then use to, pay our taxes, secure loans. All of the things that Donald Trump may have been doing illegally, and Cushman & Wakefield was the company he used to give him those values. And Letitia James says, stop holding them in contempt, Judge, because they've turned everything over now. Almost 36,000 pages of documents, 35,867 to be exact. 35,867 pages of appraisal documents, all related to Donald Trump's properties, are now sitting with those investigators up in New York. Which means, folks, they have the appraisals. They have Donald Trump's bank documents. They have the tax returns. They have all of the pieces of the puzzle. All that remains to be done, however, of course, is put the puzzle together. Okay, just because you have all the pieces doesn't mean it's done. You have to put them together. You have to find out X, Y, and Z. You have to put them in order. You have to make sure you got all of your little ducks in a row before you move forward with anything else. And that ain't easy. Especially with 35,867 pages of documents that you now have to comb through. So don't expect anything anytime soon. That's a lot of documents. I don't know if you've ever had to go through 35,867 documents, but it's not exactly something that you just accomplish over the weekend, right? It's going to take weeks. And then, of course, you have to go through, because you're not just reading them like a book. You got to go through and you got to match up, right? Okay, here's the appraisal. Does it match what they told the bank? You got to find the corresponding bank records. Make sure those match up. Then you got to also find the tax records. Make sure those match up. Make sure it's all coming together for every single one. Any discrepancy, however, that sends up the red flag. So, buckle up. Be patient. It's coming, but let's also not forget this is just a civil investigation. This is not criminal. The Manhattan DA's office is still doing their criminal investigation, but we all know they've pretty much killed that anyway. But you get them in the civil investigation, it's going to be a hell of a lot harder for that Manhattan DA to continue to justify not moving forward with criminal charges. So there could be fireworks. There could be nothing. Donald Trump may have done nothing wrong. But I guess we'll have to wait and see. This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.